Yo, it's your boy Bobarino once again at Rain DZ and once again with $500 in our pockets. But before start, don't forget to use the link in the description or in the comment section to get 5% bonus plus 3 free cases upon your deposit, or just click deposit Bobarino. 7 days and apply. We gonna start as usual. No, we will not start as usual. We gonna just do the upgraded mode to do a 5x. And it was almost, so we're gonna now go to the battles. And we're gonna start with the 3 versus 3. Vitality ascending. Bro, I can just use this. Okay, 300 just to start the video with a $300 case. Bro, this is gonna be an expensive video. Okay. 100. Bro, we lost so much money. Jesus freaking Christ. Okay. So we're gonna calm down a little bit. Brutality ascending. We will come down or not. Bro, I guess not. I'm just gonna do freaking all in. 360. I just want to test this to see if we can at least have something profit. Gonna go to 1 versus 1. 21 cases, 350 freaking dollars. Come on. We are equals. Actually, we are losing. Okay, this is gonna be like crazy battle. Somebody's gonna have a big profit. It's already 100 and still like 20 cases to go, almost 15. Okay, he's coming close. Now we just have to push him back. Like with a rain special or something. Alright, is that a traitor? Yes, it is. We are 20 on the lead, but if he gets a rain, bro, everything can happen. We just need a freaking special and we are set to go. Overgrown. Damn, okay. $2 off us. This is gonna pay to someone and I hope it's us. No, he just dropped gloves. We have 5 more cases to go. Stop, please. Oh my god, so freaking close. We need at least 70. 134. Okay. Okay. We are on a lead by 60. Come on, please don't drop anything good. Oh, so close. Damn. Alright, 2 more cases. Stop. Alright. Last case. Please don't last cases. Oh, alright, and we just had a profit of... We are back on the $500. So, bros, what about we do something crazy once again? What about the creator case? Yeah, we're gonna go with 3 versus 3. Not jackpot mode because I don't trust jackpot mode to this case. And we're gonna go to like a $500 case. $590. Bro, I guess it's the most expensive case that I open here at RainGG. So I really need your support on the comments, and if you want to play here, link on the description, 5% bonus and 3 free cases. Please, we need this win. No. They just did it. No freaking way. Bro. So we're gonna go to our vault and we're gonna withdraw everything. And you know what? We're gonna go to another all-in. Vitality ascending, I'm sorry. And we're gonna put a $500 case. We have 768, so we're gonna do like this 66 demon. 3 versus 3. This is the most expensive case that I open here at RainGG. Bro. No freaking way that we don't drop anything. So we're gonna go to upgrader. Damn, okay. This was not what I was expecting for real. Gonna go 5x, gonna roll under. And we just tripped. Bro. This was so unlucky. Okay, we can open this one. Imagine that we drop a like Hydra. No, we didn't. So the video ends here. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I mean, this video I went so freaking nuts, bro. I shouldn't do that, but it's just for the content and just for the video. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to leave a comment, and if you play on this site, link on the description, 5% bonus and 3 free cases. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Cheers.